Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a wonderful tip that how we can take this design into transfer paper. So I would like to give you a wonderful tip here. Without tracing designs you can make it. Before going to that, I request the people who are seeing first time, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail in this channel. So let's get started. Okay, so it's a very easy thing, you can do it. Everybody will mostly people will looking for designs and they're looking for design books. So it's a little bit of difficult to find out the particular designs, right? Sometimes you may have to be customize the design. Sometimes some people will come to you and ask you to take the designs from the mobile, and they'll give you some screenshots and they'll ask you to make the same design. And that time how you can do for this, what you need to do, take two tracing papers. Okay, these are butter papers, you can say this is a tracing paper also, you can say. Take two tracing papers. Okay, two tracing papers, and after that take the exact measurements. Okay, now take one tracing paper and fold it like a blouse piece. Okay, fold it into the particular center piece. Then after that make the measurements exact, deep of the neck. Okay, deep of the neck and neck width, and shoulder and armhole and waist round should be marked. Okay, so simply only you need to mark it, as in the previous video also I have shown to you how you can mark it. Okay, so like this, here what I am doing, I am taking the deep neck for 8 inches. Okay, and after that I'll mark the width for 3 inches. It's a common thing that 3 inches of neck width will be the common thing. Anyone can it will come to anyone. Okay, don't worry about this. Deep should be maintained. Okay, here I'm taking the neck width. After that I'll mark for shoulder width, that should be tuned off probably. After that, from shoulder to downside for armhole you need to mark 6 inches, and here from the neck to armhole side you need to check it whether the chest part has to become in proper way or not, it's coming on proper way or not. It's exactly not required, but what happens while you are designing, the width of the design should come into armhole side. So it should be very careful before tracing the design. Okay, so just mark it properly. Here I have marked a square neck here. Okay, here if you want to make the round neck, then use the curved scales, so that will be easy for you to maintain that round part. Okay, sometimes it will become U neck, or sometimes it's a broad U neck, or sometimes glass kind of U neck it will come. Okay, so that you need to maintain, but the according to the design you need to check the neck part. Okay, here if you have any other designs apart from the round and square neck, then leave the square part only. Okay, here what I am doing, I'll make the round neck, because you have seen that design starting of this video I have given one image, right? That is a round neck. So here also I need round neck because I am tracing that design, right? So that's why. So here what I am doing, I am simply making the round part of that neck. Okay, now what you need to do, it's a very important. Here you have here if I am taking only neck part, then you have to take care of the neckline only. If you want to take the hand part, then you need to design in some other process. Okay, here what I am doing, one side neck I have made it, on other side also I am making it, because it's a transparent paper. You will be easily identify the neckline here, so no need to measure it again. Okay, simply give a round neck here. The neck part is completed. Okay, so after that what you will do, take the design. Okay, if you are looking if you are taking the design from the Google, that's okay, download the design. Otherwise, if you are taking the design from other sites like Pinterest somewhere, then download that design particularly. okay, or else if any customer sent you to WhatsApp or some other places, download that in your phone first. Okay, that's the easiest thing that you can make it properly. Okay, after that what you will do, see here it came very nice unique. Now I'll start the designing from the mobile. Nowadays everybody having the smartphones, right? So what you will do, open that and turn off your sleep mode on your mobile. Otherwise it will go every 15 seconds or 30 seconds sleep mode, then again you have to open it and again you need to work it, right? So that will be difficult. So here see, I'm taking this design. Okay, this design, in smartphones you can screen enlarge and you can also decrease the screen, right? So just enlarge as much as you can, you can. That means the design should not be very larger, or the design should not be very less. Try to maintain the medium level of that enlarging part. And then what you need to do, first of all enlarge the side part of that neck. Okay, because side, when you complete the side part of the neck, then that will be easy for you to maintain the other parts of the neck. So keep this flowers should be come on neckline. Okay, so keep that enlargement, at least the minimum size of flower should become. So here I have medium level of enlarge design here. So now what I am doing, I am keeping this mobile down part of that tracing paper. Okay, see here, and also take the sketch pen. That should not be pen, it's a sketch pen. Okay, not give more pressure, on mobile, otherwise your screen will go off. Okay, so take care of your screen also. Here what I am doing, the side part of the neck, I'm just aligning that neckline into the flower like this. The three flowers should be come on the side part of the neckline, right? So simply what I am doing, I am making the drawing. Okay, so just simply draw and try to insert that flower into that neckline. Okay, so simple design it is, only take the outlines. Don't worry about this internal details, because it's the image you already have, so you can make it properly while you are stitching. Okay, here the side flower is came, and the upside flower and downside flower also will come. Okay, so like this you need to, you just need to be adjust. Okay, adjust that mobile properly like this. Okay, adjust that image, and then again adjust your tracing design also. You need to adjust. Okay, the neckline must become on the flowers. Okay, remember that. If you don't have the side part, here the flowers are coming in the side part, right? That's why we are taking the side part. If the designs are not coming in the side part, if the design is coming in the center part, then you need to transfer the first center part of the design, then after that you need to maintain the side parts of the neckline. Okay, that you should very careful while you are transferring this. Here it's a very easy neckline, only flowers and pollens are came here. So side part they have given that design. Also they have given a simple lines. Okay, remember that lines, and it will be easy for you complete transferring on this design. Probably on this particular part you will get it 75% of the design it will come. Okay, only flowers and pollens and leaves are there, so I have completed this. So now try to align the neck part and take the designs. Okay, simple design this is. Hard designs also you can do the same thing. Sometimes it might be the peacocks, or sometimes it might be the lotus, and somewhere it will be like only the thing on the design part, wherever you are getting the images, then you need to arrange that according to that neckline. Okay, so here only flowers are came into that side part, and pollens are came into that neck completely round part. Okay, so finish it in proper way. So here the downside part, we have pollens, right? Pollens also I am arranging it. Okay, I'm just simply moving the tracing design paper, simply making the tracing design paper, moving the tracing design paper and designing it. Okay, it's so easy thing, so if you practice this, 75% of the design will come. After that you can transfer in proper way in another tracing design to transfer into fabric. Okay, final design you can make it in another tracing design, tracing paper. That's why I told you to take the two tracing papers with the same size. Okay, so here the more here you will get any kind of designs from the computer or mobile. Wherever you want to take the designs, you can simply transfer it into one tracing design paper, and finally make the final tracing design paper into some other tracing paper. So that will be easy for you. Okay, so so that you people no need to be worry about to buy the tracing design books and all. It's not necessary. Any design you can transfer it into this tracing paper. Okay, here I'm giving you a wonderful tip. No one will give you this kind of information, so it's a very wonderful tip. You can transfer, no need to be worry about printouts also. Only you need to take tracing papers and one sketch paper. Okay, so here see the design, and here I'll show you the design how it came. See, so 75% of the design came out. So now what you will do, take the another tracing paper and transfer it. Simply transfer it, keep both together and transfer it. Your final design will come out. 100% final design will come out. Okay, it's so easy, and you people will love this, because any design wherever you see the design, and if you want to transfer it into your fabric, then this is the process, easiest process that you can do it. Okay, only design I'm taking. It's easy. Okay, if you want to enlarge in the neck also, make the neck part extra, and then again do the same thing. The first time you have transferred from the mobile, right? Now you can do it from this tracing design. It's so easy. Okay, almost I have completed this part, and now I'm finishing it. Already we have the image, already 75% of the design we have, so only the thing we need to maintain the remaining part. All the pollens also came very nicely. We have very good experience on this fabric paintings and drawings and tracing design, so that it won't be very difficult to us. But I have shown you the tips, like anyone who want to trace it, anyone who doesn't have any knowledge that on the drawing part, they can do it in this way, and it's a very easy thing. Okay, so you can transfer any design. See how beautifully this design came. How beautiful. Wow, so nice, right? So that's it, guys. Hope you people have loved this tip and trick, how you can take any design from the mobile or computer. Wherever you want to take the design, you can take it like this. So it's a wonderful tip. I hope you people will love. Again, I'm asking the people who are who feel that it's a very useful and interested, then please give a thumbs up. And also requesting, please do share in your communities and with your friends group, so that it will be easy for them to transfer the designs if anybody are interested. And here I am requesting the people who are seeing first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail. So we'll give you another tip and trick interesting on this RE embroidery. Okay, meet you there. Bye bye.